Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to capture a FaceTime session with audio. First, make sure screen recording is added to your control center. You need that shortcut. Join the FaceTime call and then swipe to open Control Center. Press and hold the record icon, turn the microphone on so your voice and nearby sound are captured, then tap Start Recording. Do this after confirming the other person consents. Recording without consent can be illegal. Once the red bar appears, your device is recording both video and local audio. Now focus on quality and the tricky parts. Use wired headphones to cut echo and keep your microphone 6 to 12 inches from your mouth for consistent levels. If you need system audio from the other side, prefer recording on a Mac. Connect your iPhone to the Mac, open QuickTime, choose New Movie Recording, select the iPhone as source and an aggregate audio device if needed. That preserves both sides' sound. Make sure you do not mute or switch cameras while recording to avoid dropped audio or video. Finish by stopping the recording. Return to Control Center and tap the red record icon, or stop in QuickTime and save the file. Open Photos or QuickTime to trim the start and end, then export as MOV or MP4 for sharing. If you find audio is missing, make sure the microphone access is allowed for screen recording and FaceTime, and that the microphone toggle was enabled when you started. If internal audio still fails, re-record using the Mac QuickTime routing method. That solves most.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.